Probably the most exciting out of all of them.
Just too much angle.
Before the time's right.
Incredible.
Great pick up. Yeah. Well, just too much. And Marvin sneaking out.
It might have been. She's asking if so. 1 game point saved.
But the whole tie.
Absolutely fantastic. Just don't know. That's wide though, and that is the first game for the...
Great shot again. Missed it, and this is the thing. You know, there was. Just missed it.
Well, that was an opportunity.
What a pick up by Ratchanok though.
Just wide, and finally, and Indonesia have the lead, and it could be a precious one. Were excellent, but Tunjung just had that extra second game, 48 minutes.